Hey there, welcome to a whirlwind tour of life in Africa. Prepare to have your mind blown as we dive into the rich tapestry of beauty, culture, and diversity that this continent has to offer. Wildlife Safari. Hold on to your seats as we embark on an exhilarating wildlife safari, where you'll come face to face with Africa's most iconic animals in their natural habitat. 2. Traditional dance. Get ready to groove to the infectious beats of African dance and music, as we witness the vibrant colors and rhythmic movements that define this cultural expression. 3. Market scenes. Join us as we navigate through bustling markets teeming with life, where you'll find everything from fresh produce to intricately crafted handmade goods. 4. Stunning landscapes. Prepare to be awestruck by the breathtaking natural beauty of Africa's diverse landscapes, from rolling savannas to majestic mountains and pristine beaches. 5. Cultural festivals. Experience the magic of African cultural festivals, where centuries-old traditions come to life in a riot of color, music, and celebration. 6. Urban life. Discover the dynamic energy of African cities, where modern developments blend seamlessly with age-old traditions, creating a vibrant tapestry of urban life. 7. Cuisine delights. Indulge your taste buds in the rich flavors and spices of African cuisine, as we explore the diverse culinary delights that this continent has to offer. 8. Art and craftsmanship. Marvel at the creativity and skill of African artists and artisans, whose works reflect the beauty, complexity, and diversity of African culture. 9. Community spirit. Experience the warmth and hospitality of African communities, where strangers are welcomed with open arms and everyone is treated like family. 10. Sunset serenity. Finally, unwind and relax as we soak in the peaceful beauty of African sunsets, a perfect end to a day filled with awe-inspiring experiences. Life in Africa is a journey like no other, where every moment is filled with wonder and discovery. Join us on this adventure as we celebrate the beauty, culture, and diversity of this incredible continent. Don't forget to like, comment, and share this video to spread the magic of Africa with the world.